Welcome to the project's presentation on YouTube channel Visual Performance Analytics. And this code gives more knowledge about this project. And this Python code provides the performance of conference analysis and machine learning projects to predict the YouTube video revenue. Here the breakdown of this code, cell by cell. And the first thing to import the modules, the code began by importing all the necessary Python libraries like the pandas. You can manipulate the data and analysis. And NumPy is numerical operations, particularly for handling the arrays and mathematical functions. And Matplotlib is Matplotlib and Seaborn are used to visualize the data based on the data set. And warning is used to handle any non-critical warnings. That's why we use a warning uh, module. And after this SKLN model, selection contains the train test split for dividing the data to test and train sets. And we just run this cell. Okay, so it's okay. And after we just load the CSV file, what we have done. The given data set is it contain the column and rows of data based on the YouTube channel of visual performance. It is a data frame. And after we go through the information on it, so we have 70 columns and 364 and 1002. This is the range. And 4 gives the type of data. Save gives the rows and columns, how many rows and columns. Add came into the 5 starting columns, sorry, 5 starting rows and columns. And after data missing your list. Here the data reprocess we just in place of this one. If the column or row contain have the null value, so then we just remove or drop that column. And after the video of which times this is which can be useful for the time series analysis or not usually in specific model. And afterwards the second cell, it having the public time columns updated and the correlation analysis and feature selection. Here the numeric data. This line creates the new data frame containing only the numeric column, which requires for the calculating our relations. And after co-numeric, this line can calculate the pairwise correlation, all numeric values, columns. And after we import the, and these are the crucial stuff of feature selection. It finds the absolute correlation values of all features with the target variable USD and forecast the new correlation matrix that gives the top 15 features identified to the previous step. And after the half map, this one is generated to visualize the representation of the correlation between top features, and the top features are to be stored in it and the highest correlation stored in machine learning model. And the model train and evaluate this in this step to split them in x and y in values. And after we have a 80 percentage of training and 20 percentage of testing, and the model exhibit boosting regressor, and it like the numbers of estimating to get their maximum depth after to fit the model. Here we have after the fitting of this model, RMSA and R2R to be measured this project, and after the features like we used to subscribers likes etc. The comments is not in it, then you can check it. Here the importance of this if state if condition to be renamed if there is a if there may be a unique columns, and after it shows the PLT of title, X label and by variables. Then shows the values period and job lead, the model which we are using in machine learning that can be dumped means to save this one in just we run what's the output of all of them. Here it gives the information of the data set after the dropping of null values, and after it can be to join the numeric data, the new variable used in the next section, which is top correlated correlation features that are to be represented in an correlation matrix, and the top features are in usual value, and these are the top uh, features in it. And after the y log, here the log means that transformation is told. Here the model we just fit and train the model is having the answer boosting model. In this model, we finally job lead to dump in our file. Okay. Here the feature importance of answer boosting. This is the job lead bundle. Model is saved. We just check in our file. Yep. This is this is a file. If we are open in Notepad also, it can be stored like it. If we it can we use it in the doc.ptr, it can be open CLD2 without outputting. So this is a project of YouTube channel Real Performance Analytics. Thank you for watching this project demo presented by Pradeep Kumar.